One thing about it, when I come before y'all, my face gonna be good and greasy like it just got baptized.
No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Okay, y'all, so today we looking for a miracle. And by miracle, I mean miracle knots. Yes, miracle knots have me in a chokehold. Excuse me. How you come up off of that? Now, yeah, miracle knots have me in a chokehold. A clear-cut chokehold. Today we doing something a little bit different. Because today I thought about it and I was like, you know what? I want a cute little bob situation going on. Yeah, because y'all know ain't nobody. Let me tell you something. And I ain't even joking. I saw somebody the other day on Insta to the gram and I was like,
Problem is, y'all do these styles and don't cut them into bobs no more.
I said, it's almost like y'all don't even know me. They don't be knowing me. Let me show y'all the hair. This hair is from Ywigs. Right now, Ywigs is everywhere. When you see Miracle Knot, 9 times out of 10 you see on Ywigs. Hey, that's my observation. 14-inch natural color water wave feather crochet. Human hair, reusable. We've been here. We already know what time it is. Now y'all know I like my bobs a little bit shorter than 14 inches, but in case I want to trim it, I got a little bit longer. The straighten length is the 14, so curly is going to be a little short. Ooh. First of all, look at it. This is why they fool with Ywigs. Look, I don't even hardly want to tie up these curls. You know how I be going through the curls trying to get them to look unlike twins, just regular sisters and brothers, or even like they got the same mom and a different daddy or something like that. Those are the type of curls I try to get it to look like. But look at how juicy and thick these curls are. This is why folk fooling with Ywigs right there. Yeah, so when you order from Ywigs, they give you about 50 strands per bundle. Human hair right here, and in the middle there is a tiny thread right there in the middle between the two ends that give the appearance of a knotless style, whatever style that you're doing. That's the whole purpose. It's supposed to look knotless. You're gonna get your favorite braid gel. Y'all know I use Slick and Slay. That shit just works for me. If you have little flyaways that's just ignorant on top of ignorant and they want to poke out your little braid, hit it with this basket lather. I'm just saying. I'm telling y'all what I know. Okay, y'all, I'm so hyped. Y'all know I love a good bob. Now I already have my hair braided down because hey, it's the way I roll. I don't do stuff on the same day all the time. So I have these plaits up here, right? My hair is all plaited up. These are where my miracle knots are gonna be. But off up in the bite, you already know what time it is. What I got back there? Cornrows. Yeah. Who said, now I don't braid my hair all the way down because I don't like pulling on the hair on the nape of my neck. I never like the way it feels, so I never braid all the way down. Bam. This is gonna be the get it girl, get it section right here. That's how I'm able to get finished with these so quickly. And when I cornrow back here, y'all, it's true, I do not have eyes in the back of my head. But what I do have is this right here. This 360 mirror, I told y'all to get this. Some of y'all be back here guessing for your blessing. You don't have, look, see? I just used it. You just open that up, it's fingerprints on here, y'all, because I use it.
I know y'all be wanting me to be aesthetic so bad.
I'm sorry. You gonna take this, pull up these roots, right, and put it on your door, like so. One of these cornrows thick. You adjust it so you can see the back of that neck, and you could cornrow back there. Go for what you know, boo-boo. Now, does everything always go as planned? Now, if you just get, my arms get tired. Yesterday was arm day. I'm telling y'all now, all up and through here is tender. But if y'all see me struggling, just pray for me. I'm gonna show y'all the first knot. Y'all can see how I do this. Look, wow, you can't even hardly see that. Chad, these little braids be. Take you a little bit of your Slick and Slay or your Bass, whichever one you prefer. We are going to take one piece of the human hair water wave feather crochet. Oh, it's easy to separate too. Thank you. See this? Now, this is the only way I know how to do this, y'all. These two sides are the two legs of the braid, and then this, my plait, is the third leg. I just wrap it around and act like they been over there and just braid it down. And mine never, it doesn't come out, y'all. I don't know. It just doesn't. Because people be like, how does your plait just stay in there? I don't know. Nothing but the blood of Jesus. That's the only thing I could tell you. I have no explanation for anything when it comes to braids, okay? See? It just be in there. It just be in there. Then, I'm going to take one more piece. And you guys know I always start off with just 2 pieces per plait. So each one of my natural plaits gets 2 pieces of the feather crochet. Here's one. Now I'm about to put the final, well, the potentially final. If I want it more full at the end, and if I have hair left, I may go through and add a 3rd piece to the plait. It just depends. Take your crochet hook, insert it into your plait, attach the thread, close the hook, pull it through your plait. You can just pull it through if you want it a little more stable, a little more secure. Maybe you getting rowdy this weekend, I don't know. Go ahead and knot it. Take your 2 fingers, pull the ends on through. Look, And then that's what you're left with right there. That's it. Ooh, yo, this gonna be fire. Hold on, let me start my clock. And baby, listen, we about to get through this head. Oh. Not only do I want you to hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. In the back, right here. Oh, I don't do 1 and 1 till I get right up around here. And even then, I might still do 2 at a time. I'll take 2 pieces. With some of the hairstyles, I've done 3. Just if I feel like it. If I get sick of it, sick and tired of being sick and tired, take that right there. I ain't lying. Watch this. Yeah, I am not lying, child. I will do that. Put your fingers in, or you can use the hook if you want to. Pull the 2 ends through. Loop it at the thread. 2 for 1. Rather than doing back to back to back to back. Hey, I'll do all kind of hacks in one install. Yes. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let's get started.
Baby,